Welcome back, everyone. We are going to talk about the TI-36X Pro correlation coefficient and just how to plug in the numbers to find the correlation coefficient, which is the letter R. Okay, so to do that, of course, we're going to turn on our calculator and we're going to press data. Now you might have already items, numbers in your columns. To erase it, press data, and then you can clear L1, L2, L3, or all. We're going to clear all of them, which is number 4. Okay, they're clear now. So I'm going to type in 5 for L1. L1 will represent X, and L2 will represent Y in this case. 5, 7, 10, 16, enter. Then you use the pad here, go over, negative 10, enter, negative 22, enter, negative 38, enter, and negative 42, enter. See that? Now we have all 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. And let's find the answer. So we'll go, so here in blue it says stat, REA, I'm not sure, maybe regression, and stat distribution, maybe. Second, data. And you can see right here it says 1 variable stats, 2 variable stats, linear regression, and so forth. Let's do linear regression, number 4. Let's enter. It says X data will be L1. Yes, that's true. Then Y data will be L2. You need to move it to that place and then enter if it was an L3, but it's not. It's an L2. Enter. Frequency is going to be 1. This reg equation, we'll say no. And then calc, we'll go all the way down. Enter. And you can see that it gives us a value of negative 0.90 for R. And it's going to be negative because if you plot these points, it has a downward trend. And so that's how you find your value for R. If you're looking for the sums, if you're, let's say you need the sum of X and Y and so forth, what you can do is you can quit this, click on second, data, go to 2 variable statistics. X data is L1, Y data is L2, right here, okay. Frequency 1 in this case, calc. And if you scroll down, it'll give you the sums. There it is, sum of X, sum of X squared, sum of Y squared, sum of XY, which you'll need if you're going to use the formula. Okay, so that's how you find the correlation coefficient on the TI-36X Pro. I hope you have a great semester. If you have a comment, put it below. Bye-bye.